Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and add someone on Google Chat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video. If you want to do so, first of all, make sure you have installed Google Chat app and you are logged in with your Google account. Once you're over here in your app, what you're going to do is you can simply tap on this new chat option, which will be given below. If you tap it over there, you will get this three options: person or space. You can go ahead, search a person by their email ID. Let's go ahead, search this person. You can see once you search it, you will be able to find that person. Go ahead, tap on that person's name, and here you go. You can simply go ahead, send a text to that person, and the text will be sent over here. Go ahead, send it. You have entered that person over here in your Google Chat, right? If you would like to create a space for yourself, go again to this new chat option, create a space, which is technically a group where you can go ahead, enter a space name. You can add a description regarding what kind of space you have for meeting or for personal uses. You can do it, and you can add people here by searching their name or their Google ID or their name. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.